It is day 3. We are having breakfast right now. Just went to the bank, got some money converted, and then dropped off our diving gear. So today's 100% diving. Leg is really bad actually. I kind of tweaked it on the way back from taking pictures at the beach last night, and I just took a bad step and it just made it worse. It was getting better. It actually was getting good. It was getting really good until last night. So I think Colin's actually doing a refresher course, so we're gonna hit the pool for a bit. All right, ciao. Refresher course.
Muy buenos días, tengan todos señores y señores, sean bienvenidos una vez más a nuestra hermosa piscina de su hotel Caribe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome one more time to our beautiful swimming pool from Hotel Caribe.
Sweating like a dog.
There's no mosquitoes out here, so it's good.
It's safe. It's safe.
You can see straight to the bottom. It's probably 10, 20 feet.
Yeah, it's gonna be herbs.
Herbs.
Dive number 1 done. How was it?
It was sick.
Sick? It was only what? 7 meters? 5 meters?
I don't even think so. It was like 4.5.
4.5 meters.
If you go straight to the bottom, maybe like 5.5.
Yeah. It was a good dive. Good refresher.
Oh yeah, easy, pretty easy, which was good.
Yes. Foot was no good.
Your tank strap wasn't loose.
Tanks.
So like I pulled it.
Yeah,
I looked at you. You don't know what was going on.
I was
I
like,
looked at here. And you're like, and so I had to go around you. And I pulled it. And sometimes he's pointing at stuff, and like I have no idea what the fuck.
like, what are you pointing at?
Pointing at.
And then it's like lionfish. I was like, I don't know.
And then he's like, another one. And then I'm like, and then you see another one. And I'm like, yeah, that's enough lionfish.
Is he on the bus? No. He's not on the bus.
No.
Alright, it was a good dive, so.
So our equipment is at the center.
At the center.
On Monday.
Monday, hopefully it's still there.
And working.
It's on some other brand named Sumo Pro.
Oh shoot. We switched it.
But, whoa, what's this place? Oh, it's a school. But anyways, good dive. We're heading back.
This is that mall that they're talking about.
Oh, that flea market?
Yeah. Oh, it's actually a market that's owned by this company. And it's always Gaviota tours.
They're making the monies.
And then they own the Marina too. They own like everything.
They own everything.
It's actually pretty smart.
So we're heading back. We're gonna get some food.
Gulliver's Lake.
Gulliver's Lake.
Gulliver's Lake.
That is a dirt place.
Did you dive Gulliver's Lake?
My sister did.
There was a car.
Yeah.
It was like submerged. There's some tires. It was like friggin' Pee Island. There's like some tires. I think.
That was dirt, man. That night dive. Oh
Yeah, they get those itchy things.
yeah. Look at that.
This is a half a liter.
Half a liter of ice cream. And then you had that yesterday.
Yeah, but that was a strawberry.
Oh man. That's mad cray. So you don't serve, yeah, you have to get them by the carton here, not by scoops.
Because it's unsanitary.
Insanitary. That's crazy. But looks good though.
It's because they don't want people to just scoop it and eat it and just scoop it. I'm sure it happened before. That's why they do it. That's why they tell you to do that.
That's nuts. I don't know. It's the evening again. We just finished dinner. We're gonna nothing planned. It's actually raining outside. So and it's kind of muggy and a lot of the mosquitoes are out. So I don't know. We're not gonna go out and hang. So yeah, tomorrow we have an early morning. We got a catamaran excursion at 8:15, so we're gonna be up pretty early. I don't know, it was a pretty good day today. We just dived and did nothing. The dive was good. It wasn't too deep. We had some kids, so they apologized in advance because we couldn't go really deeper than 10 meters. I think the deepest we went was 10 meters. Oh, sorry. So we have 3 more dives. That'll be Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, I think one of the guys said we're going to some wreck that we can actually swim through. Whoops. That. Yeah. Tomorrow's a full day. Catamaran. Some snorkeling. A lobster lunch. And some shrimps and all that. Should be cool. Hopefully the weather keeps up. It kind of poured this afternoon, right after we got back on the boat from diving. And then it's just been dark and humid and nasty. The bugs are all out. Yeah, I guess that's it. Had a great day. Cuba's a lot of fun. There's no internet at the moment. Well, I could get internet. It's $1.50 for an hour. Jason, you will not survive. Sorry. Yeah. Anyhow, I will call it a night. Got early morning, so I'll catch you on day 4, folks. Ciao.